So here's an update. I got the Delta Pi parts all going. Got the end stops. They go up and they'll hit the top of this. And I also printed out and made my own adjustable deals, and these are the roller bearings, and they got like a little groove right along them that the wire goes in. You can adjust that one of the strings on, so that makes that real nice. And then this will have a micro switch right here, and that'll come up and click on that. Click. I guess the motors for this machine are stuck in customs, so I got all the nuts and bolts on both sides. So that's all done, all three of those, and then this is all ready to go. And now I'm starting on another row stock, getting it all put together. And the Wade's extruder, that'll sit on there. It's got this herringbone gears that turned out absolutely killer. And that'll basically sit on there like that with a hobbed bolt. And then seal bearing on the inside, a couple of washers, the bolt goes through, another bearing, and a bearing that goes in here, pushes against the string, and the springs go on here. I made this little tab so you can just kind of pull on and off. I printed up a couple different types of parts so that the string, but I like these little round ones, are got a little groove, just enough to hold the string, and they fit on there just perfect. So alright, well, we're waiting on motors, and then start doing the base, and that hooks onto here. One line of string goes through, comes around and takes the other side to the bottom. Alright, that's an update. We're printing parts right now. These are caps for Chobani. Apparently I can't work there, so I don't work there anymore. I couldn't have the job for these caps if I was an employee, so basically I'm not an employee anymore. So I'm trying to get the caps done so I can do the purchase order and build another machine. Got a whole bunch of them made. Gonna make a bunch more. Got a new heater element that goes inside there. I think that's what Jeff's waiting on. I only ordered one and it finally came in and put me back into work, so it's been working pretty good. I'm hoping it lasts. So at least to get through this order. And then I can start trying to figure out how to come up with the money for the rest of the stuff I need to build parts. Anyhow, anybody watches this, is this normal that the parts are way down in the corner? How do you get it to show it in the middle? Maybe that's just the way Prana Face is. So if you have any kind of, if you know how to fix that, comment me or message me. I think that's normal. I don't know, but I'd like to have, the center here, not here. But maybe that's just the way Prana Face is. Anyhow, it's running and we're making parts. I'll be hopefully this year at the Twin Falls County Fair with a couple of machines in my own booth. So anybody wants to come out and hang out at the fair, look for me. I'll be by the Antiques Barn and printing out stuff. So if you want to come and support and maybe buy a little something, I'll be having the machines there, showing them off and selling some trinkets and stuff. And or if you need any parts made for a business or anything else, I have cards and flyers, and we can make just about anything. So there's an update. Delta Pi's almost here. It'd probably be built right now if the motors would have showed up. But I got an email saying that they were stuck in customs, so we'll have to wait and see how that turns out. But, well, talk to you later.